Hello, I am going to buy these things here. It's called the Click Engine. It's made by someone who is also promoting the same product as me, which is RPM, Rapid Profit Machine. This person is a Jeff something made this product, and I want to buy it to promote some of my links, one link, and also maybe I will do it for myself, the same one. Maybe I will do it in French first, because I understood the principle of this click engine. In fact, it's you buy and you get a spot in a link rotator, and the link rotator is visited by those who bought the click engine. And also they are visited because on the sales page, here you see, you have a button which says see some of the programs that real click engine members are promoting with the service. And if you click here, it's the link rotator. So you will see one of the people who bought the click engine and put their own link inside the rotator. So you have traffic from those who come to look at this sales page, but also when you buy it, you go into a mailing list where you receive every day one email. It's always the same email, let's say, but this email tells you to click on the link of the rotator. Why would you click on this link? They say because they are tracking every click, and every week they will send cash prices to those who have clicked the most. So I don't know if it's true, but it doesn't matter. I think it will be true, but it's better for them that it's true, but it could be false also, and it will work about the same. Because really, if you say it, then people click it. Some people will not click it because they don't care, they just want the traffic on their own site, and they don't want to participate in order to have a chance to win cash money. They are not bothered. But those who are bothered, they will click anyway, and maybe they will never win because it's false. Doesn't matter. And or maybe it's true, because it will be easy to do in an autoresponder to add the email address of the person on the button, on the link, and so you could see who is clicking more. Maybe even some can cheat. I could do a program that will make my computer visit this link 5 times every day, so my email address will appear on the stats, and so I will win the cash money. Maybe, I don't know, but it doesn't matter. So every day you have this email telling you that you should click because you can earn a cash prize, and also there is a joke, the joke of the day added, because they don't know what to put really to have people open this email. But if you do this system, so a sales page, then a place to register the link of the customer, and also an email list which sends one email every day with the link, you have already your source of traffic. They say real buyer traffic because those who are visiting the links, they have bought this product. But as you can see, also others who are not maybe buyers, they are just looking at the page, can generate traffic to this link rotator. So it's not 100%, but it doesn't matter. The lies are important for motivation. Sometimes you are being told a lie and it motivates you to do something, and after you are happy to have done it without the lie, like a limited time offer, which is not really limited, it prompts you to act, and after you forget about it, you have acted, and you get result from this action that maybe you wouldn't have done without this lie. So I will buy it just to see what is happening really. So also I want to test, because I used my own affiliate link. I want to try what happens if I get the commission or not. And the thing is it's a recurring thing. So here, pay with PayPal. So yes, I will spend 20 maximum, $20 on this. So I will not take the upsells and things like this. So here maybe I put gems and my email, and I want to pay with PayPal. So email, let's try it. Also I want to take to save some of them. So let's get the confirmation code to pay it. So now I have received, it's 865882. 865882. Go on. Okay. Okay, now my order is complete. I need to watch this video. And this is the upgrade. So I will save this page. Save page as a click. The click engine. And massive discounted price. Save. So let's see what is this. Even more. Okay. I pay. So that will put me at $20. So that's the end of it. Pay with PayPal again. Okay. Yes. Okay. Now they ask for still my 6-figure business ID. So it's the study. So I will save this page also. No, I want so this is upgrade. Still my ID, like it's his ID. Okay, so I will look at this later. So I say no. So I will have the downsell. So here is a different option. I save it too. Still my ID. My ID downsell. So the different option is what? Pick up this multi-video case study and get your own traffic biz launch. I don't know, maybe it's the same, but cheaper. I don't know, I'm not interested, so I pass on this. And then for new only, get a special bundle discount on my 2-man job skilling program, whatever. Profit fundamentals and profit boost. That maybe those are products he did before, and now it's trying to sell. So I will save it. 2 more products. So well, it's not too expensive, $9, but I don't want it. So no. Maybe there is a downsell. Last chance to pick it up at even a larger discount. So let's say maybe this is the last chance. The last chance. And now it's $5. Okay. So no. And now I have the purchase details. Purchase details. Okay. Okay. So I have the click engines. I don't know what I have, but I will see that later. Okay, so that's done for my buying of this program. Maybe it helps you understand what is it, how to do it. Then after I think I will receive by email the way to add my link, or with this, this button, access your purchase, access affiliate bonus. So this is the bonus that I put in my link. I can see it. It's RPM, my link to RPM. So it means this sales has been registered as me as an affiliate. So we see if it stays or not when they realize or that I am the same person. Maybe it's allowed to do that. I don't know. So access this purchase. If I click on it, what happens? So this is a page to access it. So this was we have to do to send an email here with my receipt and URL with the subject line new member. And I should submit a tracking link, of course, so I can change it. They will not change my link. So this is important. If I do it the same, it's very important that people cannot change their link afterwards. I do it one time, and then after, it's done. If they want to change it, they have to rebuy another one, or I don't know, but I will not change it. Or maybe they can change it if they pay, like a fee, processing fee. If they want to change it, then it's $10. They pay and they can change it, something like this. But what is important in this Wire Plus is that this is a subscription. So I will be paying every month $5. And when I want to do it, I need to do a subscription, because if you don't do that, if you want to do the same, but you say that people pay every month they have to pay again to get their link, then the easy things to do for them is to do nothing. So it means not to buy again. When it's a subscription, the easy things for them is to do nothing, especially because it's only $5 a month. So they do nothing and they stay on the program. In the two cases, they do nothing, so that's what they will do, nothing. But with the subscription, you continue to get paid. With the other one-off payment every month, you stop being paid. So that's why it's very important to have a platform, an affiliate platform, which allows you to do subscriptions. In French, the affiliate platform named 1TPE, 1TPE in French, doesn't have the subscription. So I should use maybe ClickBank or maybe Wire Plus, but the checkout has to be in French. Otherwise, I will lose a lot of French people who cannot read English. So ClickBank has a checkout in French. Wire Plus, I don't think, but as we saw, it's quite easy. So it could be done, I think, with displaying an image, how to buy. Just fill it here, and click. Maybe it will be okay with Wire Plus, but 1TPE, I think if I use it, I want to use it, but if I do, it will be less efficient, of course, because people will not come back to pay. That's for sure. And if I want to do, let's say, a one-off payment for 1 year, then it needs to be like $5 times 12. So it's already $50 or $60. And this is not the same, because you need to convince people to buy something that is more than $10. If it's less, it's like a no-brainer. Maybe after they bought the $5 one, you can offer an upsell like they did with $15 or $20. Doesn't matter, because they already bought. But for those who come on the page for the first time and they see something that is more than $10, it will be hard to convert. So I need to think about it to do it again. And this page, I will save it also. So it's let's say it's get my product I bought. Okay, and already on this page, he has an affiliate link to It's Connect, which is a link tracker. Free version, but affiliate link. And here you have, click here to see my top rated affiliate program. So this will be full of affiliate link on 2 levels affiliate program. Let's see what it is. This page. Oh, only 2. So this one is RPM. Looks like it's RPM. So promoting RPM on this system will be quite a hard sell, because all buyers already went to his link for RPM. And the second one, it looks like Prosperity Marketing System Go. I don't know, it's some place. Let's see what it is. Yeah, Global Prosperity Team, because it's I don't know. Maybe it's his program because he's on the page. Or maybe it's just a capture page for another thing. I don't know. I will see later all this. Yeah, so I will put a tracking link. I will put something to sell, maybe RPM to start, and then I will see the results if it goes somewhere or not. But it's a hard sell to try to sell RPM on this, because the things people see, it's RPM. He promotes RPM, so it will be hard by random to sell RPM through this program, this click engine program. It will be better, maybe other things. We'll see how it goes. And that's the end of this video. Thank you. Bye bye.